Some news just coming in. Chief Justice of India, Gavai, has broken his silence on the attack bid in the Supreme Court. CJI Gavai says it's a forgotten chapter for us. Shocked with what happened in court, lawyer tried to attack the Chief Justice of India just a few days ago while he was inside the court. The lawyer had said, will not tolerate Sanatan insult during another hearing. CJI said it's a forgotten chapter for us, breaking his silence on this entire matter in which he was attacked. The CJI has also gone on to say, my brother judges and I were very shocked with what happened on Monday, though it's a forgotten chapter. Anisha has more. Anisha, the CJI, that the Chief Justice of India, breaking finally his silence on this entire matter, says that this is a forgotten chapter.
Well, yes, Neha, but at the same time, Justice Ujjal Bhuyan, who was sitting with the Chief Justice, has said that I have my own views on this. This is not a matter of joke. It is an unpardonable attack on the institution. That judges do a lot of things which others may not think is justifiable, but that does not change our opinion about what we have done. This comment, remember, Sneha, comes while the court was hearing a matter relating to certain directions passed by the court on environmental laws, and a light-hearted comment was made by one of the lawyers about parties kicking and screaming about the court's orders. And on that, the Chief Justice said that my learned brother and I were very shocked with what happened on Monday. For us, it is a forgotten chapter, but Justice Bhuyan clearly saying that I have my own views on it. He's the Chief Justice. This is not a joking matter. At the same time, Sneha, our viewers must be informed that the lawyers as well as the Solicitor General of India are taking this matter very, very seriously. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, in fact, saying that this was unpardonable, but it was my Lord's majesty and magnanimity that it is being forgotten.
Right, Anisha Mathur getting us up to speed with those details. The Chief Justice of India finally breaking his silence on the attack bid while inside the Supreme Court.